Since Elon Musk announced that he would be taking over Twitter, there hasn't been a single day when he didn't make any headlines. From Twitter to his tweets to his net worth, everything has been so chaotic. Now it seems that he has some plans with Apple. Let's see what that's all about. What is it about? Well, we are talking about a possible partnership between Elon Musk and Apple. Shocking, right? After so much drama between Apple and Elon Musk's Twitter, where Apple threatened to remove Twitter from the App Store, and many comments from Elon Musk on Apple and the tax it puts on it, so after so many controversial tweets and announcements, it is a shock to the possibility of Elon and Apple partnering. The partnership. So what is the partnership about? Apple hasn't been on the great side when it comes to innovation. They aren't moving as fast as they should have, and thus has been troublesome for Apple. They have been getting trolled a lot for bringing features into their iPhone very late, and which have already been in use for 2 to 3 years in their smartphone market. Even phones half or even a quarter of the iPhone's price has those features. For instance, the 128Z smooth refresh rate has been in major use since 2019, but it came to iPhone in 2021, and that too only for the Pro series, making a significant gap in their lineup. Thus, it's easy to understand how Apple has been facing trouble regarding innovation, but a partnership with Musk can be a game changer. Elon Musk is known for his hard decision-making skills, but also for revolutionizing the industry. We are all very aware of what he has achieved with Tesla. It has changed the automobile industry and has become a leader when it comes to the electric vehicles. Tesla Model 3 is also the most sold electric vehicle ever. But that doesn't stop here. There has been continuous innovation in this sector by Musk, and we have also seen a self-driven car from Tesla. While there are many flaws, it cannot be ignored that it has become a lot more reliable than it was before. And also, it is way ahead of any other manufacturers when it comes to self-driving cars. And Elon Musk isn't going to stop here, till he gets it to the perfection. Thus, there is no harm in saying that Musk is a very innovative man, and that is what Apple requires at the moment. Let's not forget that Musk can enter any business he wants, and the phone business doesn't look far away either. In fact, with the amount of talent Tesla has, he can decide to enter the phone technology industry whenever he wants to. Musk is also developing its own in-house chip, which is said to be very powerful. With a team of excellent software engineers, Musk has built a Tesla Dojo 1 chip that is made to power Tesla supercomputers and several other supercomputers. Now that's how powerful the chip is, and even if Apple decides to take help from this Tesla chip, it can get tons of improvement in its software department, and not just the software, but also the hardware. A new look, and a much needed innovation for its consumers. Needless to say, with the help of this Dojo chip, Apple can make the biggest innovation in the smartphone industry as it becomes the first ever phone that can help in crypto mining. Yes, you heard that right, crypto mining from your phone. This could be the next big jump, if not just the smartphone industry, but also in the crypto space, since many more consumers and crypto enthusiasts can mine crypto, which otherwise is expensive to start with. The Apple-Starlink partnership. While there are many and multiple partnership possibilities, all have a rare possibility of happening, but what is the biggest possibility is the satellite communication services to the iPhones. In the recent launch of the event of Apple where they unveiled the iPhone 14 lineup, they introduced a new feature to the iPhone 14 series, which was satellite connectivity for communication. In simpler terms, even where there's no connectivity and you are in a no connectivity area, with the help of this feature, you'll be able to make emergency contact with the help of a satellite. This feature currently applies to only messaging, and Apple has partnership with Globalstar for that. But with Musk's Starlink, it can not just stop at messaging, but also calls as well. Thus, in a no connectivity area, with the help of this satellite communication service, you'll be able to make emergency calls even where there's no connectivity. Now, while there are talks between Elon Musk and Apple, nothing can be surely said about what they're planning. While it seems like Apple needs Elon Musk's innovative mind, it isn't a one-way thing. There's no doubt in saying that even Elon Musk requires Apple support, especially in the financial division, as things haven't been going great for him ever since he acquired Twitter. Thus, the partnership with Apple gives both companies a chance to not only grow, but also acquire a lot more customers and revenues. While Musk has criticized Apple a lot, and Apple not using Twitter ever since Elon's takeover and possible removal of Twitter from the App Store, it is a shock seeing both of them planning a possible partnership with each other. Whatever it may be, crazy, but when one of the biggest tech companies and one of the most innovative men would come together for a partnership, we could all expect something massive to happen. Click on one of the two videos on your screen right now.